Video. Do it now, it's a video. Gotta think about how to shift. OMG, second gear. Nathan Strojek, pro motocross rider. Look how fast he's going. Like a whole 15 miles an hour. Let's see you kids at home do that. Yeah, bet you can't. Oh, and he laid it down. Is the grass wet? Cut. This is how a bitch does a wheelie. Yeah, look at that bitch. Total wheelie. Total bitch wheelie. And he has the lights on. What a douche. The lights on. Why do you need lights on in daylight? Oh, he lifts up the grass. That's a gift from my grandpa to find out. Oh, yeah. Lights still on in the daylight. Why? I don't know. Don't ask JT. Never will. Never care about. Oh, look, lights again. Oh, badass right there. He's gonna do wheel again? Is he? Is he? And, oh, nope, nope, no. Yep, and close. And is he done showboating? I think not. And he might have trouble because he's almost fell off. He like almost fell. And I'm going to cut it. And as soon as he gets close. And get shit done. This is Sir Poopy Penis, riding his four-wheeler. Yeah, that didn't work. Yeah. How many attempts will he make before he will actually do a wheelie? That didn't work either. That kind of worked.
Be cool for wheelies, huh?
Ew.